Here we have another beautiful 2017 Chevy Express 2500 Handicap wheelchair conversion van, Explorer high top conversion, 103,000 original miles. The wheelchair conversion was done in 2021. All the equipment is 2021, so it's basically a brand new, a 2-year-old wheelchair conversion on top of the van. The tires are brand new. It's a clean Carfax, clean auto check, clean title. Beautiful, beautiful van. I'm going to give you the full tour. It does have a 6-way B and D transfer seat. It does have hand controls. It does have a fully wireless system as far as getting in and out. It does have electric doors. I'm going to show you how everything works and give you the full tour here. Don't hesitate to call or text us at any time at 954-561-2499. Happy to help at any time. As for Jeff or Ken, we've been in business 46 years. We can ship to any destination worldwide, and we do offer financing. '17 Chevy Express 2500, 6.0 liter V8, black leather, charcoal leather inside, almost black, beautiful LED lighting inside, beautiful black burl wood, very, very nice condition. I'm going to point out any flaws that I can point out here so that you can see what you're looking at. The body is laser straight. A few little bug chips in the front of the paint on the hood, and a couple little bug chips on the front of the roof, which is to be expected for the year and mileage of this vehicle. It does have chrome wheels, again brand new tires just put on. This vehicle was just serviced at the GMC dealer, full service, oil change done, everything is ready to go on this vehicle. It's been checked, safety inspected, it's good to go. The hood has a couple of little small bug chips just from normal wear and tear, nothing that really jumps out crazy at you. Overall, it's very nice. And the roof, the paint is in good shape, a few small bug chips as well. Overall, it's very nice. The running boards, the gray cladding down at the bottom, have a few small chips and bug chips in them as well. Just normal wear and tear, like I said, normal wear and tear, nothing that is considered to be outside of normal wear and tear. It's a very nice clean van, been well kept, it's a non-smoker. I'm going to show you how all the equipment works. It does have electric doors, chrome wheels, they're in good shape. Very laser straight down the sides. It does have the rear power folding bench seat bed, backup camera, navigation, fully loaded, flat screen TV, gorgeous white LED lighting throughout, all your storage cabinets, Blu-ray, fully loaded out inside van. This is the way to travel, especially if you're in a chair. The bench seat does fold down into a bed all the way. It does have the third piece, so you do have the extender. Here it does move forward and back, so it does go all the way down. As you can see, everything is working and functioning exactly the way it's supposed to. Got your 6-way transfer seat there swiveled up. Show you how everything works in this bad boy. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Been in business 46 years. We specialize in these full-size vans, handicap vans, wheelchair vans. Don't hesitate to call us at any time. We're more than happy to help. As for Jeff or Ken, 46 years, all 5-star reviews. You can find us on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Call, don't hesitate, send us an email, send us a text, 954-561-2499. The TV, everything's working. There are headsets that go along with the TV. Again, this wheelchair lift is manufactured date 10/26/21, so late 21. It is a 750-pound capacity lift, which is awesome. It's a Braun Ability Millennium lift, super duper awesome lift, which is great. It's 2-post, can hold any weight. Great shape. You can operate the lift here. You can operate the lift on the outside of the van. You can operate the lift from the driver's position as well. So there are actually 4 points. There is also a pendant hanging on the door. So 4 places you can operate the lift. It's an awesome setup. The carpet's in immaculate shape, as you can see. Seats, beautiful leather with stitching. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Got all your USB hookups. Got your... This thing is fully set up. You can travel. You got your B&D transfer seat. Forward, back, up and down. Here you go. Just putting it back in place here so you can see. Goes up and down. Left and right, and forward and back. Got all your owner's manuals here. Beautiful gray burl wood. It's in fantastic shape. Navigation. Satellite radio. This thing is loaded out, completely loaded out. A new one like this today will cost you about $120,000 to have done. Does have left side hand controls there. I will go over to that side and show you. You can also operate the lift right there. Vehicle's running, as you can see. All the levels are exactly where they need to be. No issues whatsoever with this van. It's ready to go today. Seats and carpet are like new. It's a very, very nice, clean van. Does have some normal wear and tear for the year and mileage, of course. Has to be expected. But overall, if I see anything, I will point it out to you. Interior is almost, you know, very, very nice. Almost flawless. Overall, very, very nice. I'm going to go ahead and show you how the lift operates from the outside here. It's a really great function on this setup here. Lift is like brand new shape. So there's a control here on the rear quarter panel. There's a little key that you put in, and you just go ahead and you can come in and out this way. You can also operate it from inside the vehicle as well. So simple, easy. You're inside. I just want you to see that it's inside, and you can also shut the doors right here as well, which is awesome function. Super. All the way in, and you're good to go. Again, you got the rear quarter controls. Very nice, clean van. Very, very nice. Few marks on the bumpers here and there. There's a little mark right here as well. But overall, it's very nice. We try to disclose every single thing we can find on every vehicle, so there's no surprises to any of our customers. Like I say, we do offer shipping to any destination in the world. Just give us a call. Don't hesitate anytime. Ask for Jeff or Ken. It's what we specialize in. This is what we do. We're more than happy to help you. Look at the leather. It's beautiful. It's a nice, clean, ready to go van. It's loaded with options. We've got about $20,000 in handicap options here. So super duper nice. Rust free all the way too. Don't hesitate to call 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Thank you.